Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or to my channel. My name is Ashley. I have a special little announcement that I am pregnant and I'm having a baby, which you probably understood when I said I was pregnant because that's what pregnant means. I thought it would be cute to make a little video of my experience so far, some videos that I have of my family, and then the gender reveal. So Halloween this year, I was not feeling so great. The day after Halloween, I took a pregnancy test and it was positive. Went to the doctor, got it confirmed that I was pregnant, and when they do like the first confirmation, at least where I went, it was just like a urine sample and like confirmed that I was pregnant. So I didn't know how far along I was. At the same time, I was having issues with my health insurance, so I couldn't go get an ultrasound, but I was like, oh, I've got to be like super early. At the point when I thought I was 12 weeks pregnant was right around Christmas, and that's when I told my family because I thought like that would be like a good time because, you know, they say you should wait a little while. I'm 28, so I'm not a spring chicken, but you know, it's also not a dusty attic in here, so I had this like cute little idea to you know, have my mom open a gift. And every year we have a Santa Claus come to our house. I know it's really nice that he clears his entire schedule for our family, but we're special. So Santa came over, he calls her right away, she sits down and opens a gift, and I have a clip which I will insert here.
Who's taking a picture?
All right. Here we go. Now, I had a special request that you open this one right away.
Oh.
Really?
Oh boy. Really? Is it a man?
Oh,
Yeah, that'd be nice.
small.
Yeah, well.
Oh my goodness, I don't think that one will fit you.
Shut up.
Read it.
I read it.
Read it out loud.
Yeah, read it out loud.
Hello, Grandma. I can't wait to meet you.
Oh!
Jamie?
She was just saying earlier.
Oh my God.
Oh, there we go.
Oh boy. It's yours, right?
So that was me announcing to my mom and my mom's side of the family that I was pregnant. Every time I watch the video, I, you know, tear up a little bit because it's really sweet. My mom, she has been wanting grandchildren forever. I told my dad at lunch, just like him and he's super excited, and they're both really, really excited to be grandparents, so that's really nice. Yeah. So 2 days later, I have my first ultrasound because I finally got my insurance stuff figured out. And it turns out I was not 12 weeks pregnant, I was 16 weeks pregnant. So that upped my timeline a bit. At this point, I am 23 weeks pregnant. So I'm going to show you my belly. So it definitely, you know, isn't like crazy yet, but it's getting there. Up until like a week and a half ago, it was like hard to tell I was pregnant, especially if I was wearing like a baggy shirt. But now it's definitely like popped a bit more. I've also been feeling the baby kick a lot, so that's really cool. I am 23 weeks pregnant, so definitely like the last week, like this thing has popped out and I love it. So a couple weeks ago, I had a gender reveal party, had all my friends and family come. Miranda, who is my best friend slash brother's girlfriend, she's the only one that knew. She found out. Me, my mom, we didn't find out. So she went and got a big balloon that we popped at the gender reveal, and this is that clip. So as you can see, I was super duper excited to have a girl because I really wanted a girl. Everyone knew I wanted a girl. I like hair, makeup, crafts, like I like girly stuff. So obviously it would be really nice to have a little daughter who I could do that stuff with and like teach her things, and I would totally be down to have a son someday as well, but I just knew that to start I really wanted a girl. I was super duper duper convinced it was a boy. Like, I just knew it was a boy. I accepted that it was a boy. I had like so many dreams that it came out it was a boy, and I just had this feeling. Everyone told me it was a boy. You know, when you're pregnant, people love to like give their input. It's really interesting. It's like one of those things where like everyone feels like they can have a say. So I would tell people that like I really wanted a girl. You know, people would ask like, what are you hoping for? I'd say, well, honestly, I like a girl. And everyone was like, oh, you're probably gonna get a boy. You should get a boy. Boys are so much easier. Girls are like way harder. And that might be in your situation. That might be in someone else's situation. That might be in every single situation. Regardless, I'm not looking for like the easiest path or like an easy child. Like, obviously, they're children. There's going to be ups and downs with either gender. But personally, I just really wanted a girl, and I'm so happy. At this point, I just had an ultrasound yesterday. My mom had some heart stuff when she was younger, and so because it's genetic, they like test the baby. So I had the ultrasound done yesterday. The baby's heart looks really good, and there's no holes in it, and it's nice and perfect, just like her. Kitty, get. Do you think I can just like spray my baby with a water bottle when she's naughty? It kind of, sort of doesn't at all actually work for you because I spray you and then you just do whatever you want anyway. So as far as baby names go, we've thought of a couple. At my gender reveal, I had a chalkboard, and after we found out the gender, I had everyone write down a name suggestions, and there was actually a lot of really cute ones. That's the other thing that people love to give their opinion on. Like, if you went up to someone and they were like, hey, what's your kid's name? And you were like, Petunia. You wouldn't be like, oh, that's a dumb freaking name. Why would you name your kid Petunia? If you haven't had the baby yet and you haven't named them, oh, they will tell you Petunia's a dumb name. Like, they will let you know every thought they have about it. It's really interesting what people are willing to tell you. If I have a name idea, it's probably because I like it and I'm actually considering the name for my child, like the human that I make with my body. So it's probably wise not to like be a douche and say something rude about it, because I'm not just telling you a name that I don't like so I can toss it out when you decide it sucks. Like, I actually like the name. So I do have a couple names that I really like, and I'm just, for right now, I'm going to keep them to myself because, like I said, I just don't really want everyone's like opinions or negative comments affecting the decision I make. I will hopefully have like maybe a little baby shower vlog video coming in the future. So since I'm pregnant, I've been making like a lot of baby nursery DIYs and decor, and I thought it would be maybe cute to do like a pregnancy hacks video, or like just like things to go along with me being pregnant, because it's such a big like time in a woman's life and a family's life, and I just want to celebrate it and also have these like cool videos to look back on. But I have been working on a lot of, like I said, baby nursery stuff. I was just waiting to find out the gender so that I could continue with a theme, obviously. So stay tuned for those videos. I also don't know how this one is going to take it, because she loves to be mommy's center of attention. And when the baby comes, obviously that's going to change. So I just hope that you're a really good cat sister, and you're really nice to the baby, and you love on the baby, and you smooch on the baby, but you don't suffocate the baby because we need the baby, okay? But you'll always be my first baby. You're very photogenic today. I feel like you're just like, yeah, or check me out on the viewfinder. Hey, hey, hey. Am I crazy? Am I crazy or you crazy? Am I crazy? No, you crazy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Have a good day. See you next time.